Fricky and Betty's son, Davy, has just turned 18, and for his birthday, Mom and Dad have bought him a small but sporty brand new car. First thing, Fricky phones Momentum Short-Term Insurance to add the vehicle to their insurance portfolio and confirms that Davy is the regular driver of the car. Momentum Short-Term Insurance quotes Fricky double the premium he is currently paying for his own car, which is much bigger and 3 times more expensive. Fricky is very upset and demands to know why there is such a big difference in the premiums. The patient and friendly lady at the call center explains to Fricky that Momentum Short-Term Insurance uses a scientific rating to ensure that they charge the correct premium for the correct risk. Fricky is still not happy with the explanation, so the lady at the call center asks him if he considers himself to be a more experienced and responsible driver than the average 18-year-old, and if both drove the same vehicle, would he be happy to pay the same premium? To which Fricky replies that he's a father and as such far more experienced and in most cases a lot more responsible than the average young driver. The lady at the call center asks Fricky why he thinks so. To which Fricky replies that young drivers are still untested, that young men always have something to prove, which almost always leads to reckless decisions, that having a license does not mean you know how to drive a car. So the lady at the call center asks Fricky what he has to lose if everybody pays the same premium. Fricky doesn't buy it, saying that if all people pay the same premiums, it means that he will be subsidizing high-risk clients. Exactly, the lady at the call center replies. That is why we calculate the premiums based on each client's individual risk. Momentum Short-Term Insurance wants to reward good risk clients with competitive premiums and charge the higher risk clients the appropriate premium based on their risk. Still not happy, Fricky asks if he can note himself as the regular driver of Davy's car. The lady at Momentum Short-Term Insurance replies that if Fricky knowingly supplies them with incorrect information, he would be misrepresenting the true facts, and that if at claim stage it is established that the incorrect information was supplied, it can lead to the claim not being entertained. Momentum Short-Term Insurance advises Fricky that although we trust our kids to be good drivers, taking the risk of supplying incorrect information is tantamount to having no insurance at all. The gamble is not worth it. The upside is that Davy will now start building his own good insurance history, and that in time his premiums will decrease based on his individual risk. For more information, contact the Momentum Short-Term Insurance Call Center at 086 000 6784.